Okay, Kunal, I am dedicating this story to you because of something you typed earlier. Anyway, so the hero of our story is a guy called Johar. And Johar ka life mein ek bada problem ho raha tha that he was, it happens to all of us, he was having this serious stomach upset. And as happens very often when you have a stomach upset, you end up going to the loo very often. Bichara Johar had gone to the loo so much in that particular day that he was having to now, baithne ko nahi ho raha tha, his bum was hurting. So he basically, like, whenever he sat, he was sitting with a cushion. Okay. And his bum, in fact, his poor bum had swollen up and become like one big red apple. Poor guy, man. So he was sitting on the cushion, relaxing. And he needed to distract himself because if he thought about it, then the feeling to desire to go to the loo would again start. So he was wanting to distract himself. So he put on TV and he decided to watch a show that everybody was talking about, this Spanish show from Spain called Money Heist. He started watching and 5-10 minutes ke liye fully, engrossed, dekh raha hai, this thing. And then suddenly he could feel a sense of ladders in his underwear again. And he knew what it was. He wanted to run to the loo. But only thing is, a problem ho gaya tha. Because the cushion was, slipping away each time, Bechara had tied the cushion to himself. Now when he started running, he suddenly realized the cushion was hanging from, okay, hold on guys, give me a moment. The cushion was hanging on to him. So he was desperately trying to remove the cushion. And वो निकल ही नहीं रहा था, इतना tightly बांधा था, निकल ही नहीं रहा था. Now Johar also had this cute little poodle. Now that poodle saw, Johar jumping around with that pillow and this thing, and poodle thought it was a little game. So poodle started jumping and trying to grab the pillow. Okay. Now in doing all that, Johar was getting more irritated. He's like shaking and this thing. He tried to go to the window and try and yank it out so the pillow falls out of the window. He did succeed. The pillow did fall out of the window. Now the problem was Johar had forgotten that earlier, demonetization se pehle, in the days when you could still keep cash at home, he had put a lot of money into that pillow. And then when demon happened, he had exchanged all his money, but forgotten about the money in this pillow. So when the pillow fell out, currency started flying out everywhere. And Johar is looking and saying, oh, mera paisa, falling out. Now they were, on that particular day in that building, people had been complaining about cockroaches and cockroach infestation and yevo. So some pest control guys had come to spray the whole building. And the pest control guys were there in their PPEs and suddenly they see all this money falling. Now, obviously, when you have this option, then you're not going to continue pest control. You're going to run after the money. Unki life mein to matlab light aa gaya tha. On a day, miserable day, spraying cockroaches. Instead, suddenly 1,000 rupee notes are like falling out at you. He started running out, grabbing the money. Now there was also this other girl in the building. Now, abhi workout to ho nahi sakta hai, ye wo. And people hardly used to come down. So she would take this time to come down in the evening and practice her twerking. Thinking nobody's going to watch me, kya farak padta hai. Now suddenly this girl is doing her twerking and she's seeing all these men come running. Now she doesn't know they're coming running for the money. She thinks they're coming running after her. So she freaks out and says, oh my God, my twerking is so sexy that all these men can't resist me. Now they're coming chasing. Ab main kya karu? Kahin kahan bhagu? I need to run away from them. But unfortunately, there's no away. The only place that she can escape is when running towards them. So now she's saying, oh shucks, let me find a way through them. It's like a maze. If I go this way and I squeeze through that, then I can perhaps escape. So she's running towards them. The men don't care about her. They're only interested in the money. So they're rushing and she's trying to, move through this. Ab tak Johar has finished his business in the loot, taken off the cushion, and he wants to get some of his money. So Johar has also come running for the money and he's shouting and saying, hey, mera paisa hai, mera paisa hai. Now the twerking chick sees Johar coming and she sees, oh, these men are the villains. This guy is my hero. I will run to him. So she's running to him, and mirror can't say long. Any which case, so she also, now see, obviously if you're going to twerk and all, you're not going to do it without seeing how you look. So she had this mirror. So she's carrying this mirror with her. And now she's running towards Johar. And Johar is running to the money. And Johar wants to push her. He's coming to hug him. And is chakkar mein, like, he's like, go away. And basically that, Johar also, because, sorry, I'm going to say all these dirty things, but the business that he was doing in the loo had a little bad smell. So to get rid of that, Johar was always having garlic in his pocket. And पता नहीं उसको क्यों लगा कि ये लड़की vampire तो नहीं थी, but he started waving the garlic at her to get rid of her. Now, तभी इसी बीच में it started raining. Bombay का तो you guys know man, कभी भी बारिश होता है. Now the guys running after the money are even more psyched. You have to grab the money before it gets wet. Johar is also psyched कि boss ये पैसा तो ये लोग ले लेंगे या भीग जाएगा. I need to get this money quickly. जोर और तेज से भाग रहा है. The woman is like, boss, जो मेरे को बचाने वाला था, वो तो उनके पास भाग रहा है. So she thinks, oh my God, this guy is a dude, he's a hero. He wasn't trying to get rid of me. He was actually trying to say, you go away. I'll go beat up those men. And actually in front of her, that's what Johar is doing. Johar is fighting with these men because he wants his money, not because of the girl. But she's thinking, wow, this is like the movies. Here's my hero. You know, ab tak mujhe laga, the biggest hero I'd seen was that guy in the gym who'd go on the treadmill at speed of 14 and like not even half-o. But this is a real life hero. And she's going fully fida. Ultimately, Johar fights. जो उसका पैसा था उसमें से 30% 40% मिल गया उसको. बाकी वो पेस्ट कंट्रोल वाले लेके भाग गए. थोड़ा बहुत पैसा तो विंड में blew away. Now this girl's been watching all this. The minute Johar comes, she comes straight and hugs him and starts kissing him, saying, "You're my hero, you're my savior. Where have you been all my life? I was just waiting for somebody like you." And it was a perfectly wonderful moment, everything very romantic, but unfortunately, like we said, Johar ke पेट में तो गुदगुदी पहले से हो रहा था. So Johar suddenly felt this need to go running. So Johar tries to break free, and the woman like, no, I will not let you go. You're my this thing. Since my college days, I've been waiting to find a sweetheart like you. Johar is like, "वो सब ठीक है, but give me 5 minutes, you know, and then we can both ride off into the sunset happily." But the woman's like, no, I can't trust you. You know, this is what happened. There was one time I was kissing this guy, and he said, "एक काम करता हूँ, मैं light बंद करके आता हूँ. I'll put off the switch, and then we can kiss nightly." And he put off the switch, and he never went and never came back. You know. So the problem with poor Johar is like all this. You know, when you run around and jump and all, when your tummy is not okay, it acts like a laxative. So उसका urges तो और ज़्यादा हो रहा था. You know. And he, unlike our first story, this guy, like, unlike that first story guy, this guy is not even wearing, you know, adult diapers. He's now looking desperately, and he sees that there is that, you know, staff wala loo on the ground floor. He says, "Ghar var chodo." So he runs into the loo, shuts the door, and starts doing his business. The girl thinks that, oh, he's really wants me. He doesn't even want to wait for me later. So that's why he's gone into the loo. And she wants to come in. But of course, Johar के इतना तो दिमाग था कि lock the door. But Johar ने basically सिर्फ hard बंद किया था. There was no time for him to do that. So now the girl is trying to open the door, and Johar is like, "Oh my God, she'll come and she'll see me like this. What the hell?" So he's trying to make things happen really fast. And the girl is struggling to open the door, and it's a full tension wala scene. If there was background music, it would be building up to a crescendo. Any which case, Johar ki kismat, he got done. He managed to clean up. There was toilet paper. All done. He finishes, managed to put his pants back on, and the door opened, and the girl come, and she hugged him. No, Meghna, he didn't run. No, Daya wasn't required. My girl managed to come through on her own, and happily ever after. But doorbell bhi chahiye tum log ko. Okay, stop it. I'm going to end the story. I have no breath left. Anyway, so they go home, and they decide to do what they couldn't do in the staff toilet, and then the doorbell rings. And now Johar is like, "Ab kaun aa gaya? Ye kya ho raha hai?" You know, and they open the door, and there is a cowboy. Now, how the hell did a cowboy land up here? Who the hell is this cowboy? इन सब सवालों का जवाब आपको मिलेगा अगले संडे को, जब हम फिर से आएंगे इंस्टेंट किस्से के अगले एपिसोड लेके. तब तक हमारा शो देखते रहिए. तब तक इसका screw it, I can't do it in Hindi. This entire episode will be put up on IGTV. Do see it, do watch it, do share it with your friends, do tell more people about it. Get your friends, come on. I want more people watching this show. I mean, if you like this show and are having fun, you can surely bring a friend along, phone a friend, message a friend, whatever. Get people here. This show needs more people to watch it because it's complete madness, and I have run out of breath and I'm completely exhausted. I love you guys. Thank you for coming. See you next Sunday. And keep tuning into the stories, and let's hope that something happens for Mumbai and Maharashtra when Maharashtra announces its guidelines at the end of today. That is my fervent prayer. Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind. Goodbye.